I'm going to cook up a lip-smacking dish which is a full-on collision between beautiful British roast dinners and gutsy Asian spices. You're gonna love it. I've got a heaped tablespoon of grated chilli, grated garlic, whole bulb there, and a big old thumb-sized piece of ginger. Then 1 heaped tablespoon of tomato puree, and then I'm going to start adding the spices. Now I'm going to do what I swore I'd never do. I will never be that person that puts on rubber, right? Gloves or outfit, nothing. There'll be people watching this around the globe jealous of this chicken. The legs take longer than the breasts, so score right into them. But also it lets flavour in, so I can get that beautiful marinade and rub it into all the cracks. Marinate the chicken for half a day if you can to really make it taste good. We can speed up cooking by putting a really hot lemon in there. Boil the lemon for 10 minutes, stab it all over and stick it up the Jaxie. I want to add a few things to make the gravy or the sauce absolutely delicious. Put the bird straight on the bars for an hour and a quarter at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's have a little look what's going on here then. Get it on a board with some wedged up lemons, fresh coriander over the top, and then serve with pickle, yoghurt, poppadoms and a bit of crunchy salad. And then let's have a look at our gravy action. This is awesome flavour. You've done all the hard work. All you've got to do now is put it through an old sieve and just push it through. A little bit of yoghurt. Now, just cut off this bad boy. Fresh inside, attitude on the outside. That is delicious. All right, well, I just have to give up cooking now. I don't think you can get better than that. That is the most delicious little thing I've ever put in my mouth.